So, anyone remember how I started a new video series where I'm drawing your characters? Anyone? No? Oh well, here we go again. Hey guys, welcome to channel saigamiproject. My name is Andrea Otilia Vörös and I'm the creator of the manga series Saigami, published and serialized in Saturday AM, the bi-weekly digital manga anthology. All links below. So, a couple months ago I did my very first I Draw Your Characters video, and the plan was to make it a monthly series on the channel. Long story short, life got in the way, but now we are back. I've been back with weekly videos for the last 2-ish months now, so it was just about time to present you the second I Draw Your Characters video. In the first video, I gave you the instructions on how to submit your characters. Stay tuned till the end of this video to find out. And as promised, I picked from the submitted characters. I used a random number generator to pick an artwork to make things fair, and number 8 in line was a character submitted by Hamilton Havani. I have no idea, I'm sorry. Truth to be told, I don't know anything about the character. He seems to have a few different versions on Hamilton's Instagram, so I simply decided to just rely on the 2 images submitted in the randomly picked entry. Based on the original artwork, the character seems to have a sort of similar hairstyle to one of my original characters, Daisuke from Saigami, so I wanted to make sure I draw Hamilton's character in a way that they won't look alike. And also, since I don't know the age of the character, I decided to go with a slightly older teenager design as well. The sketch was a fast and fun process, although later on I made several redrafts of the shoulders. I think it took at least 4 or 5 different tries to get it right. In the end, zooming out a bit and showing a bit more of the torso helped a lot. You know, some days you just can't draw things the way you want them. But it's okay, as long as you try and try, it should work out. For the line art, I went with thicker lines for a bolder inking style, and for the coloring I added the base colors with paint bucket and simple pen tool, and I started shading using a watercolor brush tool. Part of it was kinda experimental, but recently I've been coloring more with these kind of brushes. As by working traditionally, I always preferred watercolor over markers, so it's awesome that now I can aim for similar effect digitally too. Mostly I worked with several hues and saturations of black and red matching the character, but I also added a bit of blue and purple shade for a more interesting look. In the end, I added the splatter effect to add a bit more life to the image, this time bringing in also a bit of yellow too. Overall, drawing this image took a bit over 2 hours, and it was a lot of fun. You know, it's nothing too flashy or nothing too extreme with the design, but truth to be told, many times I enjoy working on simpler designs. If you want me to draw your character in my next video, here's how you can enter. Number 1, be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. Number 2, follow me on Instagram, you can find the link in the description. Number 3, upload an artwork of your character on Instagram using the hashtag #saigamiproject. I know, it's still super long, I'm so sorry, but you can copy paste it from the video description. There's no limit on how many characters you can submit, and you can also tag me or use the handle @saigamiproject in your description. Just make sure your profile is not in private mode and use the hashtag #saigamiproject, as I will select the next artwork based on hashtag search. Also, if you already submitted a character, it still will be in the competition, so you don't have to resubmit an artwork, unless you want to. You can of course do that, but you don't necessarily have to. And that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Special thanks for my awesome supporters on Patreon and everyone else who supported my work by getting my books, Saturday AM or merchandise from my store. You can find all the links in the video description you might need to read free chapters of Saigami, my other social media, Saturday AM, store, Patreon, you name it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon in my next one.